Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video is a little bit different. If you have a dripping problem over here, like this, it's very easy to fix, and just watch few these steps I will show you and you can do it by yourself. First thing you need to do to figure out which one is dripping, and in my case it's very easy to figure it out. Slightly press over here and I see the difference in dripping. So I figured out this one is the problem. So now I will show you how to open. To open this, you need to use small screwdriver, flat, and open this cover. After opening the cover, you can see here. This part needs to be unscrewed. After pulling this part out, good thing to say, you need to close water in a house before you touch anything. This dripping is just water's left in the pipes, so before do anything, just close water in the whole house for this part. So, with tiny screws, you just need to pull this rubber out. And it's very clear over here, you can see a damage. And this is where the water comes out. So, now we need to go buy spare parts and replace them. So, in this part over here, we take off this rubber with spring, and then I go to store, buy a new one. Now we will replace that. After pressing this rubber part inside, it needs to be a nice fit in a hole. I'm not sure, can you see it? Straight from there. Yeah, you can see the ring, and there's a rubber part inside. After you doing that, we are ready to put all these parts back together. Okay, so it's ready to put all this part together. We put the rubber, and then when you put in this part back, you can see two spots on each side. This is the place where you putting inside. Just make sure it's fit nicely. Okay, like this, then putting ring back. It doesn't need to be too tight, but just make sure it's nice. Then the last part. Now I'm going to release water, and let's see if it doesn't work. After putting this all together things, let's try now. Let's see, it doesn't drip when I release water. It's running and closing very nicely. This is $5 fix, or maybe cheaper if you find cheaper parts. During all this assembly, I cleaned the parts, and probably I need to clean the right part also, just to rip off of all this dirty things. Thank you for watching from Canada channel. That was a little bit different video than usually, but I believe that can help you to fix your dropping water from your pipes for $5 or less. Thank you.